Governor Monday Okpebholo don promise to revamp Edo Broadcasting Service (EBS) so e go become media organization wey fit compete for global level. The governor tok dis one when him and him entourage visit the EBS facility for Benin City. Governor Okpebholo no happy as im see the poor condition of the infrastructure and come promise to tackle the problems wey include poor electricity supply, lack of proper studio and bad access roads. Oga Governor come tok say the station managing director Suleiman Lede don yarn am the wahala wey dem dey face and say dat na why im come to see for himself. Say issues like no electricity and bad roads no suppose dey sake of say na Edo State property and e dey serve the people. Governor Okpebholo come tok say dem go find alternatives for electricity, whether na solar power or brand new generators, so the station fit dey operate 24 hours every day. The governor still advise the station management and staff say make dem maintain professionalism and no fear to criticize the administration when necessary.
Now, I've seen everything. No light, nothing. We'll look out for all these things. The problem here must be solved because this is Edo State property. Yes. And it has to have equal rights like others. Hospital, whatever, is just the same services people are rendering. So we look after this place. When I came here, when I was coming, I saw the way the road looked like. I said, no, this is not acceptable. I didn't know that inside is even worse. I've seen for myself, I've seen your studio. We don't have studio. We have to either rebuild or renovate this studio. Then I'm going to call the MD of Oshama because I knew that you are paying for the services he's supposed to render to you, but he's not doing it. So I have to call him. If he's not ready, let him pack his thing out of this place. We'll look for a reliable source of energy. But meanwhile, we'll look at solar power energy. We also look at probably giving you brand new generators. So this will be, because I actually want this place to continue running 24 hours. Just as I told you in the secret, I'm also telling you now, criticize me when I'm going wrong. Because I'm here to serve the people. This is just the way to go. Thank you, and I wish all of you well.
The station managing director Suleiman Lede come hail the governor proactive mindset and come here and say EBS they face plenty challenges wey need urgent solution. He come also talk say the station vision na to compete with global media organizations and still serve Edo people as more than just government mouthpiece.
Your Excellency, the Executive Governor of Edo State, Senator Monday Okpebholo, thank you very much. I am happy that you're here. You have never minced words, and every time you spoke with me, I've relayed your vision for Edo Broadcasting Service, and I'm sure they are all amazed to see you here unannounced. Thank you very much. Our problem here has, as you've seen, first is electricity, sir. Time and again, we've called the Siomo, and every time we call them, they give us electricity, and sometimes it goes out. You've seen that the radio is off at the moment, the TV is on batteries. So we know that Your Excellency, you've even told us that look at the budget. If nothing is captured there that will salvage the situation, please put it. I want to thank you for your time, for your belief, and for also giving us the mandate that we should drive this not as a government mouthpiece, but as a private concern and compete with every other media organization as we've seen in the world. And that's why we're excited that for the first time in my journalism career, I've never seen someone in government say, go all out, even if you have to critique or criticize us, go ahead and do that, but ensure a balance that all sides will all hear. So, Your Excellency, once again, welcome and thank you.
Make una not forget, say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we not dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.